14-night transatlantic has finally come to an end. However, in 7 days, we're embarking on Independence of the Seas for a 7-day cruise. We had quite the towel animal collection. Our stateroom attendant, Tony, was awesome. He was on deck number 8. We did self-assist disembarkation today. We think it's a lot faster and easier just to take your own luggage off the ship. So now the vacation has actually completely come to an end. Lucky for us, we live about 25 minutes from the port. So we just called for a lift and it'll be here in about 5 minutes. Very easy process. We got in line to get off the ship at about 8:15 and waited about 10 minutes in that line. Doing self-assist, taking our own bags off the ship, I think saved us a lot of time, as we just went straight to immigration and I had to wait about 5 minutes before being seen. Let's talk about if a 14-day transatlantic cruise is for you. I don't know about you, but for us on a 7-day cruise, we are very busy. We have a bunch of port of calls, a lot of activities on the ship, and overall it just doesn't really feel like a vacation. Now on this 14-night transatlantic cruise, we had some port of calls, but we also had 9 sea days in a row, which offered a lot of relaxation, and it was just a very mellow cruise. It actually felt like a vacation for once. The 14-night cruise offers the best of both worlds. You get to stop at a few places and still tour them, while being able to lay by the pool, read a book, take a nap, just relax. This was our first transatlantic cruise and also our first 14-day cruise. The longest cruise we've had before this was 11 days. We hope you have enjoyed our Symphony of the Seas series. We will be boarding Independence of the Seas tomorrow. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can come back and see that trip. Thanks for all the support we have been getting, and we will see you in the next video.